SMT versus manual soldering. Who is the real hero in POE PCBA? In POE PCBA manufacturing, SMT and manual soldering are not rivals. They are an industrial golden duo. One delivers extreme efficiency, while the other handles flexible scenarios. So today, let's find out Speedmaster SMT versus Craftsman level manual soldering. Which one is truly superior? SMT, a precision miracle in modern manufacturing. What does 0.01mm mean in electronics? It's like engraving on a single strand of hair. The SMT process is powered by 4 core technologies. Solder paste printing, measure thickness plus or minus 0.1mm. Sculpture angle precisely controlled at 60. High-speed placement, vacuum nozzle maintains 80 kappa pressure with 5 mpcc real-time alignment. Reflow soldering, 8 room temperature control with peak held 235 to 250 Celsius. LOI inspection, 3D SPI detects solder paste deviation as small as 0.02mm. Efficiency compression, traditional manual workshop 100 board per day. One SMT production line 10,000 board per day. That's why smartphone can be both affordable and reliable. Manual soldering, the human installation machines can't replace. Not every solder joint can be handled by machines, so truly require human expertise. Special components, connectors, high-power modules, irregular shaped part, precision rework, BTA removal, replacement requires hot air gun, and microscope coordination. Prototyping and research development, not set up time, solder instantly. The 3 good parameters of an experienced solder technician: temperature counter 220 to 250 Celsius or 280 to 300 Celsius. Control angle, ideal crescent shaped at 15 to 45. Time control 1 to 3 seconds per joint, the golden window. The perfect duo. How do they work together? So how does the two technologies complement each other in modern electronics manufacturing? SMT handles 95% of standard components, especially 0201 or 0402 microparts. Manual soldering handles the remaining 5% special components for double-sided assemblies. SMT first, manual soldering afterwards. 3D SPI solder inspection and AOI optical dictation. Manual soldering 5 to 10 magnified visual check and functional testing. From smartphone to aerospace equipment, SMT and manual soldering together for the foundation of the electronic reliability. So here's the big question: do you think machines will completely replace the manual soldering in the future?